Guys, welcome to our place here in City of Mandaluyong. This is Shaw Boulevard. Mainit na ngayon guys. Nasa 43 degrees na yata ngayon guys. Going to summer na tayo guys. Mainit na. Ayan, ito yung sa left side guys, papunta ng Wakwak Golf Club. This is Shaw Boulevard. This is Shaw Boulevard. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng weather ngayon ah. Ang init nga lang. Ang init lang nga lang guys. Salamat sa iyong panonood guys dito sa flex ko lang itong Mandaluyong City. Ito yung Mandaluyong City guys. Tataas ang building dito guys. Ito ang Mandaluyong City, the Tiger City of Metro Manila, of NCR, National Capital Region. Yan guys, binabaybay ko ngayon yung Shaw Boulevard. Papunta ako ngayon ng EDSA Crossing. Dahil kakaliwa ako dun sa EDSA guys, I'm going to SM Mega Mall. Siya nga pala guys, dito nga pala yung office ng PCSO, Pusong Panalo. PCSO, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Yan guys. Alright guys, till here na lang guys. Thank you for watching here in Mandaluyong City, Philippines. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching here in very busy Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye. And traffic pala sa kabilang side guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.